Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming carrier support and enabling the feature. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network with good throughput and minimal packet loss, because call quality depends on latency and bandwidth. Next, open Settings, find Wi-Fi calling, toggle it on, and follow any carrier prompts to verify your address for emergency services. Make sure to restart the phone if activation stalls. That forces the network and your SIM to negotiate the new calling route. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, you verify that calls actually use Wi-Fi rather than cellular. Check the status bar for the Wi-Fi calling indicator or a carrier label that mentions Wi-Fi. This tells you the device routed signaling over your network. Then place a short test call to listen for clarity, delay, or jitter and exercise both inbound and outbound audio. While on the call, run a quick speed test and check router client lists so you can correlate bandwidth with perceived call quality. To finish, validate consistent behavior. Move between rooms and briefly switch off Wi-Fi to confirm the phone hands over to cellular without dropping the call, because smooth handover proves correct configuration. Make sure your phone OS, carrier settings, and router firmware are up to date to avoid incompatibilities. If you still see issues, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, reboot your phone and router, and then retest. This simple sequence often clears registration or NAT traversal problems that block Wi-Fi calling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.